Yate, good afternoon, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be 1 gallon. To say 1 gallon in Navajo, you say Ta'asaha Diikáałgo. Ta'asaha Diikáałgo, 1 gallon. And Diikáałgo describes something that will be carried in an open container. Diikáałgo. So you say Ta'asaha Diikáałgo, na ke Diikáałgo, ta Diikáałgo, Diikáałgo, and so forth. Or you can say Haagizgo. Haagizgo. And Haagizgo describes something where you use a crank to pump gas. Haagizgo. So you can say Haagizgo, na ke Haagizgo, ta Haagizgo, di Haagizgo, and so forth. To use in a sentence, you can say Chidibitol Diikáałgo 287 ba ile, or Chidibitol Haagizgo 287 ba ile, and that means the gas costs $2.87 per gallon. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day, Diikáałgo, or Haagizgo, 1 gallon. Have a nice day.
Slow down.